Hello everybody, 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com. Time stamp is 8:51 Eastern on Tuesday, April the 14th. Here we go with the triple stack of 2013-14 Titanium. This was the multi that went live a couple days ago, I think, and we are sold out. And we're ready to break, so good luck everybody. Here is the roster. This is break number 587. 13-14 Titanium triple stack, 3-box team select. Aeronome 2, you had the Preds and Stars. Bummer Boy, you had the Flyers. Dawkins, you had the Blackhawks. DJ NL's Mommy, you had the Yotes, Wild, Jets, Ducks, Hurricanes, Jackets, Canucks, Panthers, Leafs, Capitals, Penguins, Rangers, and the Devils. Johnny Canucks, you had the Lightning. Linda Scouts, you have your Sharks and Bruins. Mr. Barth, you had the Islanders. And NJ Devils Man. Dwayne, you had the Flames. Peanut, you had the Wings and Blues. Shane Dog, Senators, Canadians, Kings, and Oilers. Centrifuge has the Sabres, and Venergized, you have the Colorado Avalanche. And Bummer Boy won both of the three bonus shot listings. So you're going to get 6 All-Star bonus shots. All right, so here we go. Pull my all my breaks. Everybody gets Blitz Bucks. Everybody knows what that is. So everybody gets 5% cash back. Click on the link in the listing that you bought and take you to the information page to find out how many you have and how you can spend. Oh, but wait. There's more. We're going to do the Ace of Base. I'm going to randomly clear that. I'm going to... base cards are... hang on. Whoa. 15,000. Base cards in Titanium are numbered 1 to 100. I'm going to draw 3 numbers. If those base cards are pulled, you're going to win 3 All-Star bonus shots. So this is the Ace of Base bonus. This is an unlisted bonus that I add in once in a while. So, first Ace of Base card is 37. Second one, 67. And the third is 77. So 37, 67, and 37. If those base cards are pulled, you will win 3 All-Star shots against me. And if you score a goal on me, you score an All-Star point, and you can cash in every 5 that you have are worth a 13-14 prime random team slot. All right, here we go. Titanium serial is 7. Is it 80 or 60? 80. 780. Lucky 7s. 780 is the serial there. Here we go. Five packs of tie. Times 3. Lucky number 7 for the Ace of Base. Alright, we got David Perron, Rick Nash base for the New York Rangers. We have a game-worn gear of Derek Stefan. Derek Stefan for the Rangers. And the Rangers are property of DJ Nell's Mommy. Thank you again, Aaron, for picking up the last bunch of teams, actually. It sold us out earlier today. And a Buffalo base. So we got base card number 31, 24, and 81. No Ace of Base there. That one's thick. We'll save it. Pack number 2. We have something prime in here. We got a Backlund base, Stephen Weiss base for the New York, Washington Capitals. We have a prime out of 50, Brooks Leitch. Prime jersey out of 50 for the Caps. And Washington was picked up by DJ Nell's Mommy. There we go. And we have the Luke Erickson. Card number 59, 92, and 69. No Ace of Base there. Usually I play the Ace of Base theme song for that little silly thing, but didn't do it today. We got Tavares base. We got a Braden Holtby base. Ooh, this one will have to be randomed. We have Keith Primo on the one side and Ron Brendanboy on the other. Philly is Bummer Boy, and Carolina is DJ and L's Mommy. So this will be between Jack and Aaron. We'll do that at the end. And we have a Corey Crawford base. Ooh, card number 17. Not one of the sevens drawn. 50 and 8. Oh, you don't want to hear Ace of Base? Oh, you got a bass song, the Nicki Minaj thing, or whatever her name is. Pactray. Ooh, nice. We have a veteran parallel, or a base parallel, numbered out of 81. So that is not his jersey number, so that'll be the draft position parallel. Marcus Foligno for the Buffalo Sabres. That is for Buffalo. That is the draft position parallel out of 81. And Buffalo is Centrifuge. And we have a autograph here for the Detroit Red Wings. Corey Emerton. Metallic Marks Bronze sticker auto. For the Red Wings. Red Wings are Peanut. And we got a Nicholas Backstrom base. Card number 74. Only two base cards in there. 74 and 66 were the two base cards in that pack. And a chubby one. I thought it was a chubby one. And we have another chubby card. Sorry, a thick card. With a kind of a bum back corner there. We have a Taze. We have a Ward. We have a Quad Prime for the Los Angeles Kings. Team building. We have Doughty, we have Quick, we have Toffoli, and we have Tanner Pearson. Quad Prime jersey. That is numbered out of 25. Number 9 out of 25 for the Los Angeles Kings. And LA is Shane Dog. Like I said, I noticed the one... Well, I guess it wasn't so bad. Oh yeah, there's the front corner. That lower front corner there is kind of janky. So you know. That's for Shane Dog. Congratulations. And we have Malkin base. We got 35, 54, and 12. No Ace of Base there. Right. Moving on. Box number 2. Trying a little faster here. 778. 778. That one's chubby. That one feels chubby too. Alright, we got a Bacchus base, we have a Kessel base, we have a Game Worn Gear that have to be randomed between the Oilers and the Dallas Stars. We got Philip Larson on the left, Sean Horkoff on the right, out of 300. That's a prime. That's actually got a seam in it. For the Dallas Stars there. Dallas is Aaron Ohm 2. And Edmonton is Shane Dog. So that'll be random. We'll do that at the end. We got a base of Jacob Forsberg. 41, 23, and 80 for the base cards. I think I was told not to say chubbies anymore. Can't help it. Lundqvist. We have a nice double hit pack here. We have for the Montreal Canadiens PK Subban. Base parallel. Number 2 of the jersey. That is numbered out of 76. PK Subban for the Habs. Montreal is Shane Dog. There you go, sir. Nice hit. PK Subban base parallel. Jersey number parallel out of the 76. And we have a Chris Brown rookie autograph here for the Yotes. And Phoenix was picked up by DJ and L's mommy. So here you go, Aaron. That's yours. And then the Cavalier base. So only 2 base cards in here. We got base of base. Card number 37. Lundqvist for the Rangers. The Rangers are DJ and L's mommy, so you're going to get 3 bonus all-star shots. With the ace of base pull. And 98 is the other one. We got a Hall, a Bernier. For the Flyers and Jack, we have a game-worn gear, John LeClair. Veteran jersey. That's for Jack. Basic Kerry Lettinen. Number 56, 94, and 52. Alright, the thick packs. We got a prime or better in this one. We got a Krause base, we have a Thornton base, and we have, nice, for the Chicago Blackhawks, and Dawkins, 74. I got a prime here. A couple dudes you probably know, Marian Hossa and Patrick Sharp. Dual prime, that is number out of 50. 25 of 50 for the Chicago Blackhawks. There you go, Dawkins. This card, and a Marc-Andre Fleury base, card number 60. 91 and 49. Always a base there. And the final pack of box number 2. Again, a prime or better. We got a base of Ryan. We got a base of Stajan. We have, for the Los Angeles Kings, we have Mike Richards. Prime. Out of 50. 36 of 50. And Los Angeles is Shane Dog. There you go, Shane. Another nice hit. And Ryan Miller base, number 84, 7, and 65. No ace of base there. So we got 1 ace of base card. So DJ and Alnali pulled the Lundqvist there. Card number 37. So you're going to get 3 bonus shots out of there. We got 1 more box to go, maybe more. 156. 156. So do the bonus shots at the end and the randoms as well. And those packs are a mess. There we go. And chubby one ended up on the bottom, or the thick one ended up at the bottom. We got a Kane base. We got a Chara base. We have for the Flyers, Ron Hexel and Ray Emery. That's for Bummer Boy. Pretty cool. A lot of Flyers hits in this stuff. Base of Rask. Card number 95. And we have another ace of base. Patrick Kane. Card number 77. So Dawkins, owner of the Chicago Blackhawks, will also receive 3 bonus shots in the All-Star game against me. Come on now. We got a Bufflin, we got a Bobrovsky. We have, for the Los Angeles Kings, Rob Blake, game-worn gear. That's for Shane Dog. David Perron base, card number 24, 31 and 88. Nothing there. Spezza, lad base for the Anaheim Ducks. Saku Koivu autograph. Nice. Out of 50 for Anaheim. And that is DJ NL's mommy. That's a nice hit. There you go, Aaron. Saku Koivu autograph. Game Worn Gear autograph out of 50. Probably going to the Hall of Fame eventually, I would say. Rick Nash base. Card number 81 is 46 and 4. Nothing there. We got a Gabrick. We got an Anderson. We have for the Edmonton Oilers, we got an Anton Lander Titanium Reserve autograph. That is for Shane Dog. Base of Sedin. Henrik version. 38, 62, and 20 of the base cards there. Nothing there. And the final pack, which is the thickest of the bunch. We have a primer better in here. We got a Crawford. We have a Backstrom. We got a patch for the Yotes and DJ and L's mommy, Martin Hanzal. And what an exciting patch that is. Single color patch. That's a bummer. But as a number 25, Martin Hanzal, congratulations to Aaron and the Yotes. And the final base card here is Pacioretty, card number 66. And we have card number 17 and 74. So those are not the Ace of Base. 37, 67, and 77 were the Ace of Base winners. Alright, so that is the boxes opened. So now we're going to do the random for those two duels that we have. I'll do that with my NHL team deck here. And hang on here, I'm going to show you the cards again. We have the Philip Larson, so it's between Edmonton and Dallas. So that is Shane Dog and Aaron. And the other one is the Keith Primo between the Flyers and the Hurricanes. That is Bummer Boy and Aaron. I gotta take these close off for the cards. So, do my randoms. I shuffle my deck of NHL teams here, and I shuffle and cut, start drawing off the top. Whatever teams pop up first of the teams that are on the cards there wins the card. And then we'll do all the dice rolling stuff at the end. So you don't have to watch it if you don't want to. There's that. Mr. Honest Ed in for the cut. Yeah, there was a Marcus Foligno base parallel to his draft position. There's the cut. Okay. So, here we go. Florida, not in play. Tampa, not in play. Sharks, nope. Oilers. The Oilers win the multi that is for that team. So the Philip Larson, Sean Horcoff card is going to Shane Dog and the Edmonton Oilers. And I'll show you the other cards that were in play, obviously. So I'll keep going until we find Flyers or the Hurricanes. Flyers or Hurricanes. The Flyers win that multi. So there you go, Jack. That multi of Primo and Brendamore, which I think is a staple of every case of this stuff, is going to you, sir. And I'll show you the rest of the cards here. We'll show you that Dallas Dallas Stars were next, and what was the other team? Hurricanes. They were there as well. Alright, so that is the break. So now we're moving on to the dice shots. So we got Jack is going to have 6 of the bot shots, and then we got the 2 ace of base shots. So we're going to do Jack shots first, and the 2 ace of base things second. So Jack, you get 6 shots. Opportunity to win 6 All-Star points, and of course you need 5 for a 13-14 prime slot. Alright, shot number 1, Jack. Oops. We have a 4, a 2, and a 1. That's a deke. 5, a 4, and a 3. That's another deke. 6, a 5, and a 2. 6, 5, 2. So I'm sorry, Jack, that is a missed net. So that is a non-goal. No goal for you. 0 and 1. Shot number 2. Like I said, my 5-hole is my business. 2, 2, 3 with your next shot. So you get a shot on net. Alright. Goalies roll. And I've made the save on Jack by rolling a pair of 4s over a 1. Sorry, sir. No goal. 0 and 2. Shot number 3. After the big turnaround. If we get a 4, a 3, and a 2. We got a 6, a 3, and a 2. Jack, that is a 4, a 3, and a 1. That's another missed net. So you're not on your game tonight as a shooter. 0 for 3. Alright, shot number 4. There we go. Shot on net with a pair of 4s over a 1. Shot on net. Goalies roll. Sorry, sir. No, the luck isn't on your side tonight. 4, 3, and a 2. What am I saying? 6, 4, 3. 6, 4, 3. So that was an epic save by me. Just thought Jack thought he had it, but I robbed him with a flash of the leather. Sorry, sir. That is 0 for 4. Sorry, buddy. Shot number 5. 6, a 3. Sorry, 3's over 6. There we go. 3's over 6. So shot on net. Goalies roll. 1's over a 4. There we go. He's found the back of the net. Put the biscuit in the basket. Goal for Jack. So you're 1 out of 1 and 4. You're 6 in the final shot. 5, 2, 1. Deke. 6, 5, and a 4. That's another deke. Last chance to get a pair. And we have a 6, a 5, and a 2. So that is a missed net. 6, 5, 2. So I'm sorry, Jack. The luck was not on your side. 1 for 6. Sorry, that was a lousy turnout. Sorry about that. Not in the dice tonight. Alright, so we got 2 6-pack. Sorry, 2 of the ace of base winners. We'll do the Rangers first. So this is property of Aaron. Card number 37 that was pulled first. So Aaron, you win 3 bonus shots for the ace of base thing. The first of 3. 6, a 5, and a 3. That's a deke. 6, 4, and a 2. That's another deke. Where are the pairs tonight? And Aaron, that is a 1, 2, 3. So Aaron's off to a ripping start with an automatic fail as he trips on the blue line. That is a non-goal because you fell on your face. So, sorry, Aaron. Second shot. 6, 4, and a 1. There we go. Shot on net. 5s over a 3. Always roll. 4s over a 6. So that doesn't beat 5s over a 3. So that is a goal by Aaron. So you're 1 and 1. Your third and final shot. 6 is over a 1. Good shot. Always roll. We have a 5, a 4, and a 3. That is a goal by Aaron. 5, 4, 3. So 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 for your ace of base shots there. Congratulations, Aaron. 2 all-star points for you. And the second ace of base winner is Patrick Kane here, card number 77. That is property of Dawkins. So Dawkins is going to get 3 bonus shots. Here you go, Matt. Starting off with 1s over a 6. So a shot on net. Not great, but stood up in the past. And not this time, though. That is 4s over a 5. So that is a save by me. Actually did something tonight. So that is a no goal. 0-1. Shot number 2 for Matt. 4s over a 6. 4, 4, 6. Here you go, Dawkins. Shot on net. Looks better. Always roll. And that is a 6, a 4, and a 3. I've rolled 4, 6, 4 3s for myself. I think it's rigged. That was a save by me, epic save. So we thought you had a goal, but I robbed you with a 6, 4, 3 roll. So sorry, Dawkins. That is 0 for 2. The third and final shot, Matt, yields a 1 pair of 1s over a 2. Again, not a great shot. Always roll. Hey, it's a goal. Shot's a shot. 5, 4, and a 1. That is a goal by Matt. So Matt's 1 for 3. Alright, so that concludes the triple stack of titanium with the extra bonus stuff I added in there. Hope you enjoy it. And once again, thank you all for the support of 643boxbreaks.com. Check out everything else on 643. And see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.